Hi guys, it's Crypto Kitten and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to move your coins from Coinbase to GDAX and over to whatever offsite exchange that you wish to use. Now the reason I'm going to show you this little method is because it circumvents all the transaction fees associated with moving your crypto around. Bitcoin and Ethereum can get especially pricey if the network's backed up or if it's having a lot of congestion. Litecoin on the other hand, I've never really had any problems with. I've never seen it over $1. But all those little transactions do begin to add up. So you're definitely going to want to save money when you can, where you can, and that's why we're here today. Now you're going to want to go over to GDAX and log in. I am already logged into my account. I didn't want to share my email with the screen share. I love you guys, but you always want to protect yourself, especially when it comes to crypto. I will leave the link for GDAX in the description below so that you guys know you're in the right place and on the right site. You log in with all your Coinbase information. It's the same thing. They're sister sites, so nothing too crazy on that end. You're going to want to come over here and select what you're trying to bring over from Coinbase. Because I don't have any Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum over in Coinbase right now to try to bring over, I'm going to go ahead and click on Litecoin and USD. That's the pairing I'm working with because I am working with US dollars. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and then I click on deposit. This part's actually the easiest because all you have to do is click on Coinbase account, and since they're sister sites, all your information is already on here. You don't have to deal with calculating and going back and forth figuring out how much you actually have. It's all right here for you. You just decide how much you want to bring over. So let's say I bring over 0.5 Litecoin for the sake of this video. You go ahead, you hit deposit, and your money should be there pretty much instantly, maybe up to 60 seconds if you really want to time it. You can do this however many times you want. It's unlimited, so you can transfer back and forth from Coinbase to GDAX, from GDAX to Coinbase all day long. Nothing will happen. You can do it. It's always going to be free. It's always going to be quick. So that's that. So once your money comes over and you want to move your money off site, you go ahead and you hit withdraw. And you're going to come over to this last one over here, the LTC address, which will change to BCH or BTC or ETH, depending on whatever you're trying to move. Since it's Litecoin, it's LTC for me. You put 0.5, and then you're going to need your Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'm sure you guys get it by now. You're going to need the address that you're moving it to. So what you do is you go to whatever exchange you're wanting to use. For me, I logged into my Binance so that you guys can see what we're doing. All the exchanges pretty much look like something similar to this little back office space that you can utilize. So once you're trying to deposit your money, you go ahead and you hit this deposit button and you get this generated address. Now you can highlight and Control C, or you can come over here and hit copy address. Now it's on your clipboard, and all you have to do once you get back to GDAX is Control V. But I do want to point out something very important. You cannot send anything but Litecoin to a Litecoin address. If I tried to send Bitcoin to this address right now, I would lose it forever. It cannot go into a Litecoin wallet. It's not the same thing. So because the transactions are reversible, I can't get it back, and because it doesn't belong in a Litecoin wallet, it can't get to its destination. So I have lost that money. It is gone. So you want to be very careful when you're depositing your money off-site like this. You want to make sure you have the correct cryptocurrency, and you definitely want to make sure you have the deposit address as opposed to some other address that they may offer. And Litecoin isn't too bad because nothing really looks like Litecoin and nothing really has this type of, what is it called? Acronym. But for the sake of this video, I wanted to also show you guys this. This is what it looks like when I'm on Binance and I start typing in BitC. I have Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Gold, Bitcoin Diamond, Super Bitcoin. So it's very easy for you to accidentally click Bitcoin Cash as opposed to Bitcoin. They look similar. They're very close in their symbol. So you just want to be careful. Make sure you're paying attention. This is very important. But you have this wallet address copied. So we're going to pop back over to GDAX. Control V. Whoops. There we go. Control V. And then you're going to go ahead down here and hit your two-factor code. You can either get the two-factor code by them sending you a code via text message, or you can get a randomly generated code with the Google Authenticator app. The Google Authenticator app is what I recommend because someone actually has to steal your phone and know what they're looking for to use it, as opposed to someone cloning your SIM card or calling the phone company and getting your information sent to their phone. It's actually pretty easy to do, disturbingly easy to do, and it has happened before to bigger, badder people, so be smart about it. I would say get the Google Authenticator code. You put the code in, and then you hit withdraw funds. Once you hit withdraw funds, it's going to go onto the blockchain, and it's going to go through a couple different confirmations, computers checking to make sure it's going to where it's going, making sure you sent the right amount, making sure you are who you are, it's coming from your wallet, a bunch of computer stuff. But it's going to go through those confirmations. It may take a little while, so if you don't see it pop up over here in your total balance right away, don't panic. Give it a minute, depending on what coin you sent. Litecoin usually takes no more than 10 minutes on a bad day for me. So give it 10 minutes. If it's something like Bitcoin, give it an hour just to make sure you have that room for it to get there. Bitcoin can be a little bit slow, especially if the network is very congested. It can take a while. So don't panic if you don't see it right away. Go ahead and go get yourself a cup of tea, or go watch your favorite TV show and come back to it and check again. Once you do that, you have officially made your first off-site transfer to an exchange. Congratulations! I hope you guys have happy trading, and I hope this video helped you. I will see you guys next time.